Venus. So in your Edmodo, go to the post that says Venus. We have a link for the reading. We have my email where you can send your assignments. And we have the practice questions. So let's take a look at Venus. So, Venus is named after the Roman god of love. It is the only planet named after a female. It's sometimes called the Earth's sister planet. Venus is the planet that is closest to us, and it is most like the Earth in size. It's a lot different from Earth, though. So, if you look at it through a telescope, it looks smooth, it looks featureless, but it is actually covered by a thick layer of clouds. And these are not like the white fluffy clouds we're used to. So clouds on Earth, those are water vapor, so they're pretty harmless. Venus's clouds are made of stuff like, well, carbon dioxide isn't too bad, but if we were to go there, we wouldn't be able to breathe because carbon dioxide is what we breathe out. Sulfur dioxide, and then sulfuric acid. So these are quite dangerous clouds. All right. The atmosphere of Venus is very thick. So the pressure on its surface is very high. So it's 90 times greater than the pressure at Earth's surface. So this causes a greenhouse effect with a lot of warming. So because of this, Venus is the hottest planet, even though it is farther from the sun than Mercury, it is hotter than Mercury. All right, temperatures are about 860 Fahrenheit. So we would not survive on Venus. The surface of Venus, we know about the clouds, but the images, if you take radar images of it, there is a lot of topography. So there are volcanoes, there are craters, and the craters on Venus are not quite as numerous as Mercury or the Moon. So its surface, they say, must be younger than those surfaces. So this suggests that the planet experiences some volcanism and has a hot interior, kind of similar to the Earth. Venus has more volcanoes than any other planet. So between 100,000 and 1 million volcanoes on Venus. A lot of them are inactive, but still that's a lot of volcanoes. All right. Venus rotates clockwise, sorry. All the other planets rotate counterclockwise. Venus turns very slowly. Its days are longer than its year. So its year is 225 days. Its day is 243. All right. So Venus, we can actually sometimes see it in the sky. And sometimes we see it before the sun rises. It's called the morning star, but it's not a star. And it appears bright because the clouds reflect the sunlight very well. So hopefully that all makes sense. Make sure you finish your questions and turn them into me.